The 2013 Mercedes C63 Coupe Supercharged Black Series by Vath. With 510 horsepower under the hood, the Mercedes C63 AMG Coupe Black Series is no doubt one of the most powerful sports coupes out there. Sometimes, however, even the most powerful car can get even more powerful, as long as the right tuner comes into picture. Vath, a German tuning company, decided that the C63 AMG Coupe Black Series can do even better. To improve upon near perfection, Varth installed a V63 Supercharged compressor system that includes a new water intercooler system, fuel cooler and, of course, the corresponding fine-tuning of the engine's electrical system. All these updates, along with a new flow-optimized exhaust system, have increased the engine output up to an impressive 756 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. As a result, the sports coupe will now sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds and hit a top speed of 217 miles per hour. However, these updates come with a pretty huge price tag: €49.310, $65,000 at the current exchange rates. The C63 AMG also sports a set of 20-inch, 3-piece forced wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. Also installed is a high-performance brake system that features 405mm 15.94-inch discs on the front axle. A new suspension system that can adjust the ride by 20 to 65mm 0.78 to 2.56 inches also comes as a part of the package. Lastly, Varth wrapped it all up with an aerodynamic package and a new black radiator grille without the usual Mercedes star. The interior gets a new sports steering wheel in leather design and a new speedometer with 400 km/h extension, 248 miles per hour.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.